I am really proud sa wife ko kasi talagang nakita ko na hindi lang niya ginawa, hindi lang siya nag-aral, no? But of course, tinapos niya talaga na may quality, guys.
Hi guys, good morning. So today is a very special day kasi today is graduation ng aking asawa, no? So pupunta tayo dun sa event mamaya para mag-attend doon sa kanilang graduation ceremony, no? So this is a very special day for us kasi after 2 years na natapos na niya yung kanyang program with flying colors. So, di ba? So, ngayon, magkakape muna tayo and then after that, samahan nyo kami pumunta doon sa event. Okay? Let's go! Okay, pupunta na tayo sa car, guys. Pero bago tayo, of course, kailangan merong flowers, di ba? So, pipick upin natin yung flowers na in-order natin kahapon. Right? Let's go! So, pick upin natin yung flowers. Pick natin yung flowers bago tayo pumunta dun sa event. Okay? Okay, guys. Excuse me. So we are driving now papunta dun sa mall kung nasaan yung flower shop, kung saan tayo nag-order ng flowers. Of course, this is a very special day for us, for my wife, kasi syempre guys, iba pag yung natapos mo talaga yung pinaghirapan mo, no? So, of course guys, yung mga nakikita ng iba na masaya dito sa Canada, ganyan. Of course, yun yung mga mostly pinopost namin, di ba? Pero yung struggle along the way, paano namin siya hinandle, paano namin na-juggle yung aral plus trabaho plus yung pag-aalaga sa mga bata, yung mga responsibility sa family. Of course, hindi nyo naman na hindi nyo naman na nakikita yon, pero again guys, hindi siya biro, no? So I am really proud sa wife ko kasi talagang nakita ko na hindi lang niya ginawa, hindi lang siya nag-aral, no? But of course, tinapos niya talaga na may quality, guys. So kumbaga, hindi lang para masabi na nag-aral siya or ginamit lang namin yung student pathway para makarating kami dito. Hindi lang yun. Kasi sa amin, nandito na rin kami. So why not, hindi pa talaga namin ayusin bakit hindi pa namin tapusin ng maayos, 'di ba? With quality. Tsaka kasi, syempre, kumbaga, nagbayad ka na rin ng mahal eh. Eh di, kumbaga kung aral, talagang mag-aral ka, tapusin mo, you know, yung mga, kapag meron ka mga papers and everything, make sure na, you know, talagang tinapos mo siya ng maayos, 'di ba? So, okay. So dito na tayo, guys. Pick up lang natin yung flowers. Ito yung flower shop. Hi, good morning.
We got a pickup.
Yeah.
Good? Wow, amazing. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Alright guys. Pick up na natin yung flowers para sa ating mahal na Reyna. Let's go. Okay guys, flowers. Let's go. Okay, so na-pick up na natin yung flowers guys. Okay, so sana magustuhan ng ating mahal na Reyna. Since wala na kaming time, dadaan na lang ako ng breakfast. Okay, dito na lang kami kakain guys, kasi kailangan namin maaga dun sa venue, kasi sa downtown area yun guys eh. So medyo ayokong mahirapang maghanap ng parking. So sabi ko kay Mrs. maaga na lang kami, no? Though ano pa naman, 1 PM pa yung event. So meron pa kaming time. Alas 10 pa lang naman ng umaga guys. So bibili muna tayo ng breakfast, tapos susunduin na natin sila, tapos punta na tayo ng downtown area, right? So nag-place na ako ng order, tapos pipick upin na lang natin. Okay, so mamaya ulit guys. Excuse me, can I have a tray for this? And also a bag, a small bag please. Thank you. Good. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, balik na tayo ng bahay. Sunduin na natin sila. Let's go. Okay, dito na kami sa school. Ayan na kayo mga kids. Okay, waiting kami for the graduation. Ito yung campus. Ito yung campus ng aking asawa. Ayan, ang daming gagraduate, oh. Alright. Siyempre, kailangan may flowers. Congratulations.
Let's have a picture first. Come on. Picture first. Picture.
So dito kami sa graduation picture muna. Oh, di ba? That picture, and then later family. Yeah.
Guys, someone broke this shed.
Okay, nandito kami sa labas. Nakapila na. Hello
Papa,
guys.
go closer. Papa, walk a little.
Nakapila kami. Ayun na yung mga graduate. Ayan, nakapila na kami dito.
Okay, Mommy, send it back. We've been here for 30 minutes already. Look at the line. Whoa.
Yeah.
Looks like we're not the only ones on the class. Whoa. Hello.
Hello. Go forward, go forward. Me, go.
of the Algonquin peoples, also known as the Esquimalt and the Songhees First Nations. On behalf of Premier David Eby and the Government of BC, I am honored to recognize this important milestone for the graduates of Vancouver Community College. Through late-night study sessions, challenging assignments, and moments of doubt, you have shown resilience and tenacity, emerging as future leaders in your fields. And behind many graduates stand a pillar of unwavering support from families and friends whose continuous encouragement has been a guiding light throughout a fulfilling academic journey. For the faculty and staff, your dedication, passion, and commitment to excellence have paved the way for student success. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the graduates of Vancouver Community College. This is an incredible accomplishment. You should be very proud of the work that you have done to get here. May your future be filled with endless opportunities, success, and fulfillment of your professional careers. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
For the opportunity and privilege I've had. Honored guests, members of the Board of Governors, faculty, staff, alumni, but most especially you, the graduates, your family, your friends. It's an immense pleasure for me to be here to celebrate BCC Spring Convocation 2024. Good afternoon. For your hard work and your dedication to get to this point. It's also an opportunity for us to thank and recognize your family, your friends, your loved ones, others who have supported you along your journey here at BCC and who will continue to support you after you leave here. Today we gather to celebrate not just an achievement, but a promise of a future that will be built by your hands, that will be guided by your minds and inspired by your hearts. Each of you has a unique story, a story of growth, a story of discovery, and today we have the opportunity to honor that.
And those in absentia have met the requirements for the credentials and awards to be presented this day as prescribed by the registrar. And I ask that you, as President of Vancouver Community College, confer upon them their credentials.
By the virtue of the authority vested in me by the statutes of the province of British Columbia, and upon my recommendation and the recommendation of the Registrar of Vancouver Community College, I admit to you the credential to which you are entitled and invest with you all the rights, privileges, powers, and responsibilities pertaining to the credential. You may be seated.
I ask President Patel to come forward to congratulate each graduate as they cross the stage. The Dean or representative of each school will be asked to read the names of the graduates.
Manav Saini.
Ma.
Good luck.
Crystal Joy Estelle.
Whoa!
Rupinder Singh.
Mommy.
Gurpreet Singh.
As a VCC alumni member, you are now joining more than 70,000 amazing individuals in communities across Vancouver, BC, and beyond. Again, congratulations on completing your programs and welcome to the VCC alum family.
Okay guys, so nandito kami sa bahay ulit, nakauwi na kami, no? So again, shout out sa napakagaling kong asawa. Again, hindi ko pa rin alam kung paano mo nagawa na napagsabay mo yung pag-aaral, work, and at the same time, taking care of our family. So we love you so much and we are so proud of you, right? So now guys, na tapos na yung aral, right? So what's next, 'di ba? After makagraduate ng SP or ng student permit, ano nang gagawin, right? So, kung hindi kami na PR ngayon or kung hindi pa kami PR ngayon, of course, ang gagawin namin is mag-apply kami ng PGWP, right? So, yung pinost ko last time about do sa changes sa PGWP guys, hindi pa yon implemented, right? So yung mga nakagraduate ngayon at mag-a-apply ng PGWP, same rules pa rin. So kung ano yung rules dati, same pa rin kasi wala pang nilalabas si IRCC ng bagong rules kung ano yung dapat sundin. Okay? And again, guys, disclaimer lang ulit, hindi po ako immigration consultant or whatsoever. So, yung mga advices at yung mga sinishare ko po sa inyo dito is just my own personal experience ko po at experience din ng family ko. Sinishare lang din po namin sa inyo para at least meron kayong mapulot na guidance kung gusto nyo rin magpunta rito with the same pathway na ginamit din namin. Okay? So, yun nga. So, kung sakali man na hindi nga kami or hindi pa kami PR ngayon, yun ang next action item namin, which is kumuha ng PGWP, mag-work at least for 1 year para, and then after that, magpa-file na kami ng express entry kasi meron na kami makukuha points dun sa aral ni Mrs., yung sa work ko, yung sa work experience ko, sa work experience ni Mrs., may mga points na kaming makukuha. But again, it's not a guarantee. But of course, yun yung plano sana namin kung hindi pa kami PR ngayon, right? And also guys, i-check nyo rin sa mga provinces nyo kasi for sure yan, meron silang program yung sa PNP ng kung saang province kayo nandun, meron silang program para sa mga international graduates. So, check na doon kung ano yung mga pwede nyong pasukin para makapag-apply kayo or makapag-register kayo sa PNP program nila. Kasi guys, ang isang i-advise ko talaga sa inyo ngayon, pumasok kayo sa PNP program kung saang province kayo nandoon. Kasi once na mabigyan kayo ng ITA or invitation to apply sa province kung nasaan man kayo para sa PNP program nila, instant 600 points yun guys para sa CRS score nyo na gagamitin nyo naman sa express entry profile nyo. Okay? So yun lang guys. So shinare ko lang itong napaka memorable na araw namin kasi syempre hindi ko pwedeng i-discount yung pagiging student permit holder namin kasi doon kami nagsimula. Hindi kami makakapunta dito sa Canada kung hindi kami pumasok sa ganong pathway at hindi rin kami magkakaroon ng opportunities na makapagtrabaho dito at makapasok sa PNP program kung hindi kami nagsimula sa student pathway. Alright? So, again, sa lahat ng nakagraduate din today, congratulations po sa inyo.